Hey friends, welcome to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm showing you how to make this delicious slow cooker teriyaki chicken. This recipe is so easy, good, and every bite is ridiculously delicious. Let's get started. Since we're making a slow cooker recipe, you're going to need a slow cooker. Grab your slow cooker, then place 3 large chicken breasts into it. Add 1 cut up onion to the chicken. Next, we're going to set the chicken in the slow cooker aside for later while we put together the teriyaki sauce for the chicken. Into an empty bowl, add half a cup of soy sauce, 4 cloves of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of minced ginger, a 1/4 cup of honey, 2 tablespoons of sweet chili sauce, 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 2 teaspoons of sesame oil, and last we're adding 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. Go ahead and mix everything together very well, then pour the teriyaki sauce all over the chicken in the slow cooker. Next, go ahead and place the slow cooker lid on. Then we're going to let the chicken slow cook on low for exactly 4 hours. So it's been exactly 4 hours and the chicken has finished slow cooking. We're going to take the chicken out of the slow cooker, then place them onto a separate plate. As soon as the chicken is out of the slow cooker, go ahead and drain all of this flavorful chicken sauce into a separate pan over medium heat. We want the sauce to be smooth, so we're passing it through a sieve. Once all the sauce has been drained, you can go ahead and discard whatever is left in the sieve. Next, we're going to thicken the sauce by mixing a 1/4 cup of water with a tablespoon of cornstarch. Pour the mixture into the sauce, then whisk everything together and cook for about a minute or until the sauce thickens. While the sauce is thickening, we're going to go back to the chicken breast we set aside, and with the help of 2 forks, we're going to start shredding the chicken. Once you're done shredding the chicken, go ahead and transfer it into the slow cooker. And then by this time, the sauce should be done thickening and it should be looking just like this. All that's left to do is remove the pan from the heat, then pour the sauce all over the shredded chicken. Last, to freshen the flavor, we're going to add some freshly chopped spring onion. And that's it, guys. Food is ready. This slow cooker teriyaki chicken pairs really well with some sauteed rice, so make sure you have a side of rice to enjoy this delicious chicken recipe with. The best way to really enjoy this meal is to serve it with some cashew nuts. I'm going to sprinkle the cashews over the chicken and rice, then add a little more spring onions. Then this delicious slow cooker teriyaki chicken is ready to be enjoyed. The chicken came out so tender and flavorful. All ingredients and measurements for this recipe will be in the description box for you. Don't forget to like this video, share, and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye!